Welcome to the channel Encyclopedia Catanica. Today will be another unboxing video. Couple of hours ago I bought those two padlocks, this set of locks in Lidl store, German chain of stores, and the brand is called Parkside. This is Chinese tool brand. Pretty decent tools. There is no great quality, but they do their jobs. So amongst tools they also have padlocks branded Parkside. So those two padlocks are made in China. We have, as I mentioned, a set of two locks and 5 keys for each lock, because such great amount of keys is because there is no locksmith to cut you key if you need one. So because this is kind of this detainer used only by Chinese manufacturers, so I don't know, probably because you can't cut the keys, they gave you so much keys per lock. So here it says with key security system. Key security system. Key can only be removed when the lock is closed. It usually in translation means that it's key retaining locks. Those locks are key retaining, and or those have key retention feature. When you see something like that, some weird sentence which doesn't mean much, it's because Chinese manufacturers usually use another kind of English language without correct terminology, so it could be deceiving. Set of two, body size 40 and 50 millimeters. Some data on a couple of different languages. As I mentioned, on the front side, we have on the back side also with key security system. It says key retention feature. 40-50 millimeters includes 10 keys, 5 per each lock, set of 2 locks for indoor use only. This is funny thing because I don't know any other company which labels it as for indoor use only. It's normal to see locks used outside. Those are not for the outside, those are only for the inside. So it says about the quality of those for sure. And as you see, it's produced in China in a couple of different languages. So those two are from the Lidl chain store I think it's a correct terminology, correct name. Lidl is a chain store from Germany. Practically all cheap stuff, like something like Walmart or something like dollar store, between dollar store and Walmart. Those cost about $5. So let's see what's inside of the package. When I saw those locks, I saw that the quality is decreased a bit. I will tell you why and how I know that. We have set of 5 keys for each lock, 2 sets, and we have this small one. It says fabricated. This logo is a factory logo. It says that it's made in March 2024. Factory logo means that it's produced Delta Sport, also that Delta Sport, Hamburg, Germany. This is something different. This is practically, I don't know what it is. This text from the back side, from this side of the body, it's a bit of a riddle for me, because Delta Sport, what in the world sport has to do with locks? Really don't know what did they meant, but yes, Delta Sport, and it says Wragkamp, Hamburg, Germany. Okay, it's colored gray. This is also pig iron, as in most cases of Chinese locks. This one is a bit bigger. It says Parkside on the front, and on the back it says also Delta Sport NR. Those numbers, I don't know, maybe goods number or something like that, article number, but you don't call it article, you call it goods number. Hamburg, Germany. Okay, the thickness of the body is original thickness of the Chinese disc detainers. This is the original thickness. Usually in Chinese stores you could find different branded locks, but the same mechanism, the same everything, but they are a bit thinner. This one has its original thickness, so it's about maybe 2 centimeters. I don't know, didn't measure it. But we have a problem here. Let's see, do they work correctly? Yes, they work nice. They are okay. Ball bearing system. Yes, ball bearing system. Typical Chinese, typical pig iron. Nothing special. The same thing as every Chinese disc detainer from Chinese stores. But what do we have here? Look at this white thingy, this white ring. It goes all the way. It's a kind of a half ring, I think. This is not the whole ring, for sure. Previous year, 2023, those Parksides were also available. As I mentioned, once in a year you have padlocks on sale in Lidl stores, and those older Parksides were chrome plated, fully chrome plated, and they have they have a disc container made out of metal. It's cast zinc, but it's way better than this plastic one. This is made out of white plastic. I don't know if you can see it. I don't know. I will try to enlighten it as much as I can. You see, we have plastic disc container. So plastic disc container means that it's ribbed container. This lock, this mechanism don't have spacers. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 discs, and between those discs are plastic ribs. So this lock is really easy to defeat only by screwdriver. When you shove it inside and turn it and use force, it will open for sure, because plastic ribbed disc container is way weaker than full disc container, full plastic disc container with spacers. Plastic disc container isn't good at all, but at least if it's full, it makes a bit more of a resistance than in this case. Both of those locks have the same plastic rib disc container. So those locks are very, very weak. They work fine, but they are very, very weak. So that's about it about those locks. I don't have a disc detainer pick, so I can't pick them. They're easy to pick, for sure. We have this thing. It's some kind of user manual or something like that, but voila, it's for combination lock. That's a cool thing. You bought a lock with keys, disc detainer type, and you have a manual, instruction manual for combination padlock. Such nonsense, but it's what it is. For such low price, I can't, to be honest, I can't say anything against it. It's really low price for those locks, for those indoor using locks. So I think I told you everything about them. All in all, previous models of Parkside locks, the same size, the same length, the same width, the same thickness. From 2023, those were much better than those. Those are really cheaply made, like those locks, branded differently from Chinese stores. Pretty bad locks, practically garbage locks. They are good for the collection, but for using outside, well, probably not. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.